Hey.
Fuck off, Luis.
Ay, Dios mío, haven't we been through this already?
Been through the fact that you wanted to kill me? Been through the fact that you're far from alone in that desire? This is over. It's over. I just want to go someplace far away from here and quietly wait to die. I lived it. I lived it hard, and now I'm ready to end it.
Oh, shut up, you hysterical fucking queen. Get a grip, bro.
Oh, yes, silly me. Silly fucking me. The Russian mob want me dead. My best friend just contemplated murdering me. The mob are on my case. I'm massively in debt, and I just lost $2 million worth of diamonds. Any other man would just dust himself off and carry on.
Look, okay, I'm sorry I thought about killing you. I really am. But if you keep up with the bullshit, I might have to kill you for real.
Fuck off, Luis!
No, you fuck off, Tony. I didn't kill you. I wanted to. Why? Because you've become a useless junkie fuck. That's why. But I didn't. And now, it's you and me against the world, okay? And if your brains ain't working right, then I'll make the decision for us, okay? It's Bulgarin or us. Or you can shoot us both and make his life easy for him.
Well, you're kind of clever, aren't you? I only hired you because I thought you were dumb.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You're welcome very much.
Are you coming now?
Yes, I'm coming now. Well, let's go, come on. Heard Bulgarian was moving some smack out at the Funland on Firefly Island. So, say we find them, what are we gonna do then?
We're gonna take out their income stream, and then we're gonna take them out. End this bullshit.
Okay, I'm armed, I'm dangerous, let's fucking do this!
Come on, T. Give me a break.
What? We're in this together!
Tony, bro, I love you, but I shall handle this alone. I don't want you getting yourself killed.
Then you're gonna have to punch me out again, Lou.
Don't make me, man. You know you're just gonna slow me down, bro, and kill us both. I want at least one of us to survive.
Lou?
Look, T, don't go home. Don't go to the clubs. Don't go nowhere anyone might conceivably think to look for you.
There aren't many places like that left in the city, I'm afraid.
Come on. Where you think you can hide that no one would expect?
I have no fucking clue. Dukes? I ran away from there when I was a kid, and I swore blind I'd never go back. Apart from to catch a plane.
Okay, cool. Hit up, like, that Monocle Monument thing in Meadows Park. Hang out for a few hours. If I survive this shit, I'll find you. Later, D.
Shit, Lou. Look after yourself.
Tell people Timur and Mr. Ray have serious package now. We own H-Trade in Liberty.
This way Bulgari smack motherfucker? Where is it? You ain't making no money today. Come out, motherfucker. Just say no to drugs, motherfucker. You guys tried to kill me one too many times! Come on, motherfuckers! They gotta be on the other side of the park! Where's Bulgari? Hey! Come out, you puto! I ain't dead yet, bitches! This your big business idea? Fuck you! Beaver! Where you at, bitch?
Ray flies away now, pretty boy! You are too late to get him!
Fuck you!
You think he will forget about you? You and all your friends are dead!
Yeah, that ain't happening, Timmy!
Will enjoy killing your whole family!
Hands up, Timmy!
Luis, what's happening?
I can't talk, bro. It's just really coming apart.
What do you mean? Let me help you out.
Ain't nothing you can do, Yusuf. If this crazy Russian fuck manages to leave the country, it's over for me and Tone. I gotta get down the British Expressway without any number of Russian assassins taking me down. Or we're done. Why am I even saying this? Wish me luck, bro. He's a heavily armed motherfucker. Don't fuck with that guy. Thanks, Yusuf. You ain't getting away from me.
I was hoping to see you, Luis.
Yeah, because I came here looking for you.
I have grenade! You kill me! we all die. You can't shoot me, you'll blow a whole plane up.
I'll take my chances.
Oh. Shit. Sorry, Pops. Oh. Come on, get up. Get up. You okay?
Yeah, thanks.
Take care of yourself, okay? Stay away from idiots like me.
Fuck you.
You always have to make a scene, don't you?
Yeah, I know, it's a real problem with me, you know? I wish I was more like you. Subtle, shy, retiring.
Boy. I used to play around here when I was a kid. Dreaming of the world, wondering what it was like at that place over there, or that little island over there.
You ever go that thing?
Nah, went to Algonquin instead, waiting for the world to come to me. You did it, man. You did it. You saved my life. You saved the business. You fucking did it.
Hey, man, I did what I could, bro.
I'm proud of you, man. Thank you. But I don't want you to get a big head. I don't want you to go, change. Become a megastar. Go to Vinewood. Write a blog. Oh.
You're a pill-popping old queen, man. I'm a murdering maniac. But we survived, bro. We survived.
We more than survived, amigo. We prospered. We took on this town and we won. We took on this place and we gave it the fucking finger. Fuck you all! I don't care what people say. Tony Prince and Luis Lopez could not be stopped. Huh? Oh, jeez, who's this?
What's up, my niggas?
Oh, did he just say that?
Yeah, hey, man.
You fucking made it, man. That was some serious gangster shit. Shoot, shoot, shoot 'em up. I said shoot, shoot, shoot 'em up. Yo, T, give me a hug, give me a hug. Not too close, though. I don't want to give my father the wrong impression. Ah, Luis, I love you, man. I love you. I love you, too. I love everyone. Come on, let's get out of here. Oh, by the way, I think my father may be into franchising the clubs.
I know, franchise is not the way to go. The club is all about the people.
Fuck the people. Fuck them all. Whip out your dick and piss all over them.
You're gonna go a long way in hospitality, my friend.
I'm gonna smoke until the day I die. Yeah, you would say that.
Hey, Maury.
Luis, man, how goes it, huh?
It's okay, bro.
Look, I just wanted to apologize to you. I was an asshole. I've been out tilling the land, and it really put shit in perspective for me, you know?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Kibbutz? On a motherfucking kibbutz, huh? Yeah, but I've taken this shit over. I brought some real modern world shit into this joint. It's a much better use of my time. These people were fucking backwards. Sharing and shit? Come on, I mean, what, communism?
Yeah, but it's a commune.
Was. Now it's more of a, how do I say this? Dictatorship, you know? Hey, Hike! Hey, do some fucking work, huh? I don't care if you're 78. You wanna eat? Work! Oh, sorry, Lou. Yeah, now where were we?
Yeah, we were saying goodbye, Maury.